In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from the middle of a cell in Google Sheets or Excel using the MyD and Find functions. Whether you're working on data analysis, preparing reports, or just sorting through information, these functions can really help streamline your process. So, let's dive in and see how this works. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet, or you can follow along in Excel, as the process will be quite similar. If you're new to either program, just open a new spreadsheet or one that you're already working with. Make sure you have some data in column A that you want to work on. Now, let's say you are working in cell B2 to extract a specific portion of text. Click on cell B2 to make it active. This is where we will enter our formula to pull out the middle text from cell A2. Next, you'll type the following formula right into cell B2. MyD A2 4 8. Let's break down this formula. The mid function is asking three things. First, where it should look, which is A2. Second, where it should start extracting from this cell. Here it is the fourth character. And third, how many characters it should extract, which is 8 characters in this case. So by typing this formula, you're instructing Sheets or Excel to start at the fourth character of A2 and pull the next 8 characters into cell B2. After entering your formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This will cause the spreadsheet to process the formula and display the extracted text in cell B2. You should now see whatever text has been extracted according to your specified range in this formula. You might need to adjust your starting point or the number of characters based on your specific data structure. Now let's do a similar process for cell B3. Click on B3 to select it, then type in this formula, mid A3 5 7. Here, the logic is the same. We are picking A3 as our cell of interest. We start at the 5th character, and we're pulling out 7 characters this time. This flexibility is what makes the mid function particularly powerful in different scenarios and datasets. Once you've typed that, hit the Enter key again. This will finalize your entry and return your result in cell B3, making it clear which part of your data has been extracted. This is particularly useful as you iterate through rows in your dataset, allowing consistent data extraction without a hitch. There you have it. With just these simple steps, you can now easily extract text from the middle of any cell using MID. This approach can be adapted by changing the start position and the number of characters to capture exactly what your project requires. Happy spreadsheeting, and remember to practice with different cell ranges and datasets to see just how versatile this method can be.